This secret Mercedes function is only known by 1% of drivers. What if your Mercedes is already doing things for you and you don't even know it? What if the feature you use every single day is actually hiding a smarter trick underneath? Because one of these functions is so subtle, so quiet, that only about 1% of drivers even realize what's happening. The illusion of control. Most people think they're fully in control when they drive. Foot on the brake, eyes on the road, hands on the wheel. It feels manual. It feels intentional. But modern Mercedes cars are doing more behind the scenes than most drivers could imagine. Tiny computers are making decisions every second, reading your inputs, predicting your moves, and quietly helping you without asking for credit. And here's the wild part. You've probably already used this secret feature dozens of times, maybe hundreds. You just didn't know it had a name. You thought it was normal behavior. You assumed the car was just doing its thing. But there's a system working in the background that makes city driving way easier, and almost nobody talks about it. Auto hold, the feature you use without knowing. This is where auto hold comes in. If you've ever stopped at a red light, pressed the brake a little harder than usual, and suddenly noticed your foot could relax without the car rolling forward, that wasn't luck. That was auto hold activating. Auto hold keeps the brakes engaged even after you lift your foot off the pedal. The car stays perfectly still. Brake lights stay on. Traffic behind you knows you're stopped. You don't have to hold pressure anymore. No creeping, no rolling, no foot cramps in traffic jams. What's crazy is how naturally it happens. You don't press a button. You don't go into settings. You just brake slightly harder and the system activates itself. A small hold message pops up on your dashboard and that's it. The car takes over. Most drivers think it's just the transmission, or hill assist, or some random behavior. But it's actually a dedicated feature designed for stop-and-go traffic. And once you notice it, you start to rely on it. Red lights feel shorter. Traffic feels less annoying. Your leg finally gets a break. Why Mercedes built it. Mercedes didn't design auto hold for comfort alone. It's about control and safety. In heavy traffic, small movements cause chain reactions. Cars creep forward, drivers panic brake, accidents happen. Auto hold eliminates that chaos. Your car stays locked in place until you tap the gas. Smooth, predictable, controlled. It's also perfect on hills. No rollback, no awkward balancing between pedals. The car holds itself until you're ready to move. And here's the funniest part. A lot of people use this feature daily and still have no idea it exists. They just think, my car feels smart. That's because it is. The curiosity loop. Now think of it like this. If Mercedes hid something this useful in plain sight, then what else do you think your car is secretly doing? Because the next feature lets you cool your car before you even touch the door handle, and almost nobody uses it. The feature nobody talks about. Most people treat their car key like it has one job: lock, unlock. That's it. But Mercedes quietly hid something inside that same button that almost no one discovers on their own. And once you use it for the first time, it completely changes how you approach your car on hot days. Imagine walking across a parking lot in the middle of summer, feeling the heat radiating from the asphalt, already knowing your car is about to feel like an oven inside. You reach for your key, but instead of tapping the unlock button, you hold it down. At first, nothing happens. Then suddenly, all the windows start rolling down by themselves. On some models, even the sunroof opens up. Hot air escapes instantly, like your car is exhaling after holding its breath all day. By the time you get inside, the cabin already feels lighter, cooler, more breathable. No AC blast, no foggy glasses, just fresh air doing the work for you. This isn't a gimmick. Mercedes built this feature for real-world comfort, especially in extreme climates where cars sit under direct sun for hours. Opening the windows remotely helps drop the interior temperature before you even touch the door handle, which also means your air conditioning system doesn't have to work as hard once you start driving. Over time, that can actually reduce strain on the system and improve efficiency. All from a trick that most drivers never use simply because nobody told them it exists. The hidden logic behind it. What makes this even more interesting is how naturally hidden it is. The feature doesn't live inside a menu. There's no notification explaining it. You don't see a button labeled ventilation mode. You just have to know to hold the unlock button. And because most people are in a hurry, they press it once and move on.
That's why this secret stays secret.
On many Mercedes models, the same trick works in reverse. Hold the lock button and all the windows close automatically. That means if you forgot one open and already started walking away, you don't have to turn back. Your car listens to you from a distance. Small convenience, big difference. This is the type of engineering Mercedes is known for. Not loud features, not flashy announcements, just quiet intelligence built into everyday actions, turning normal habits into smarter ones without you even realizing it. Why drivers don't trust what comes next. Now, this is where things get uncomfortable for a lot of people, because the next feature requires something most drivers struggle with: letting go. Mercedes has a system called Active Parking Assist that allows your car to park itself. It scans for empty spaces as you drive slowly down the street. When it finds one, it tells you. All you have to do is press a button, control the brake and gas, and watch the steering wheel turn on its own. For most people, that moment feels terrifying. Your hands hover near the wheel. Your foot shakes above the brake. You're convinced it's about to mess up. But then you watch it slide perfectly into the spot, measured down to the inch, smoother than most humans could ever manage. No curb scraping, no awkward corrections, just clean, precise movement like the car has eyes of its own. And yet, almost 90% of owners never use it. Not because it doesn't work, but because they don't trust it. If your Mercedes can open itself, cool itself, and park itself this smoothly, then the real question becomes, what else do you think it's already doing for you? Because next, your car won't just help you park, it will take over in traffic. The traffic problem. If there's one thing every driver hates, it's traffic. Not the moving kind. The kind where you crawl forward a few feet, stop, crawl again, stop, repeat for half an hour. Your foot starts to ache. Your focus fades. Your patience disappears. And this is exactly the moment Mercedes engineers had in mind when they created Traffic Jam Assist, a system designed for the most frustrating driving conditions imaginable. Instead of just helping you keep speed like regular cruise control, Traffic Jam Assist goes further. It watches the car in front of you, controls acceleration, applies the brakes, and even keeps you centered in your lane using cameras and radar working together. In heavy traffic, your Mercedes can basically drive itself at low speeds. You don't have to touch the pedals constantly. You don't have to keep making tiny steering corrections. The car handles the boring part for you. For many drivers, this feels unreal the first time. You look down. Your feet aren't moving. The wheel gently turns on its own. And yet, everything feels smooth, controlled, safe. You're still responsible, still alert, but the workload drops massively. Long commutes suddenly feel shorter, stress levels go down, and that daily traffic grind becomes just a little more bearable. How Mercedes makes it so smooth. This isn't magic, it's engineering. Your Mercedes uses a network of radar sensors hidden behind the front grille, cameras mounted near the windshield, and software that constantly calculates distance, speed, and road markings. The system predicts what other drivers are about to do and reacts faster than a human ever could. If the car ahead slows down, yours brakes smoothly. If traffic starts moving again, your Mercedes accelerates without jerking forward. What separates Mercedes from most brands is how natural it feels. There's no aggressive braking, no sudden steering. Everything happens gently, like an experienced driver is in control. That's intentional. Engineers spent years tuning these systems so they don't scare you. The goal wasn't to replace the driver, it was to support them. And here's something most people don't realize. This technology is the foundation for fully autonomous driving. Traffic Jam Assist is basically a training ground. Every mile driven helps Mercedes collect data, improve software, and refine how cars behave in real-world conditions. You're not just being assisted, you're part of the future being tested in real time. The car that learns you. Now let's talk about something even more subtle. Your Mercedes is learning you. Over time, the car studies how you drive, how hard you press the gas, how early you brake, how you take corners. And slowly, the gearbox and throttle response adapt to your habits. If you drive calmly, shifts become smoother. If you're more aggressive, the car responds quicker. You might not notice it day to day, but your car is quietly adjusting itself to fit your personality. This is why two people can drive the same Mercedes and have totally different experiences. The car shapes itself around the driver. It becomes personal, familiar, like it knows what you're about to do before you. Like it knows what you're about to do before you do it. That's not coincidence, that's data. And if Mercedes hid this much intelligence in plain sight, what else do you think they're hiding? Because next, we're going inside the cabin, and the lights in your car are about to start dancing. When your car comes to life. Now we go inside the cabin, because this is where Mercedes turns technology into an experience. On some models, the ambient lighting doesn't just sit there looking pretty, it actually reacts to your music. The beat drops and the lights pulse. The tempo changes and the colors shift. It feels like your car has a heartbeat, syncing itself to whatever you're listening to. It's subtle, but once you notice it, every drive feels different, especially at night. This isn't about showing off, it's about emotion. Mercedes understands that driving isn't just transportation, it's a mood, a vibe, a moment you live in. And it goes even deeper. With voice commands, you can say things like, "I'm cold," and the car adjusts the temperature for you. You don't need to know buttons or menus, you just talk. Your Mercedes listens. Over time, it even remembers your preferences, your seat position, your climate settings, your favorite lighting colors. The car starts to feel less like a machine and more like a personal space designed just for you. So here's the real question. Which of these hidden features surprised you the most, and what do you think your Mercedes is still hiding from you? If you enjoyed this, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next secret your car never told you about.